What about that? We need the net.
Fish on, y'all. He swallowed it.
Dang, I love for a fish to fall on her. What? I said I love a fish to fall on her. More honey.
Come on, Mike.
No, it's getting on.
There you go.
Oh, he got him this time.
That shrimp is soft.
Yeah.
That wasn't no frozen shrimp. Oh, he swallowed it.
Ooh, Mike said that never happened to him.
It don't.
Ooh, he was talking that talk that day. Remember that downstairs? He's like, yeah, that don't happen to me. That happened to you. All right, y'all. Mike got one. I got one.
I hope I was recording that.
Huh?
I hope I was recording that. Is it blinking?
Yeah, it's blinking.
Yeah.
They haven't stocked yet. They about to. We up here at Last Cash, y'all. Hopefully we can get on them. Got a nice crowd. We're gonna see what we can do. I'll get back with y'all once they about to stock. All right, y'all, they about to stop.
About 5, 4, 3, 2, 8. There you go, Mike. Come on, Mama. Bring him to me. Bring him to me. I got you, cuz. You all like Donkey Kong.
I know.
So, hold on. I can set that up. Right there. Yeah, you do that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, chat.
Hey.
Y'all see it? Yeah.
Here, you put these in there too.
Yeah. Y'all see who we working with? Son.
Now cooking. Somebody got one over. I'm cooking, chat. Did I get an assist on that?
Yeah.
Hey.
Mike through the lob. Hey, he got some nice ones in here.
Who? Oh, yeah.
We got some nice little players. I know what I'm eating for dinner. Coming back, there you go. Yeah.
Mike got a fish on, y'all. Y'all see him? Look at him. He happy in the inside. Look at him. Yes, he got skills.
Oh, wait, hold on. You getting a bite. Get your pole, get your pole, get your pole, get your pole.
Yo, Poe.
Yeah. Yeah, go.
There you go,
Wait.
what?
Yeah.
He coming back.
He gonna come
Yeah,
back.
he's coming back. Damn, son.
He didn't want to drop the fish.
Ooh,
God. They just fucking, they
Hey.
fucking right there in that hole.
yeah. Mike said they fucking. Hey, this is a PG-13.
You got the beep that out
Yeah.
with a duck sound.
Damn it, man. Angel, you was gone, bro. Your shit
Trying to
was
tell me.
gone.
I know.
He was trying to help me.
Yeah,
Me and the good Samaritan.
I swear. I would have said fuck him.
I did my good deed for the day.
Ooh, hey.
Hold on, cuz. I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
Watch out, he's back.
Here you go, Mike.
Nah, I got it. He's coming out. He's coming out. Coming out.
You catching
Oh,
slime.
I'm on fire, son.
Ooh, right there.
I'm on fire, son.
You on fire, dude.
I'm on fire, son. Damn, too bad Cody ain't here.
Mm-hmm.
Damn. He'll be here tomorrow, though. Got it.
Ah,
Damn.
yes,
Like your best
Hey,
like you over the
yeah.
weight capacity.
if this was the tournament, you would have won that money.
Hey, hey, get it, cuz.
Quick.
That's a strong
It
motherfucker.
is, isn't it?
Damn, look at that strong ass boy.
Dang, look at this bluegill, man. Nah, that's a bluegill.
Neck muscles on that thing.
Boy, that bluegill strong, boy. That bluegill is strong. It went down once and then it went down.
That's it. That's strike 3 for your
You
ass.
just see the blue flying through the sky.
That's strike 3, bro. Oh, you caught a bluegill?
That bluegill is strong.
That's what I'm saying.
It went down once and then it went down again.
That boy gonna stare
Ooh,
with
he
him.
was not playing. Look how I hooked him though. He was not playing.
Yeah. Put that up against Mike's too. Damn it, boy.
Bluegill bigger than every fish in these cages.
Yes, sir. You'll take it.
Yes, sir.
Oh, he pulled a P on me.
Ooh,
Hashtag swallow hook.
yes, sir. Uh-oh. Cameraman getting some action now. Ooh, I grabbed my shit.
Well, you
Stop
know what,
moving.
Angel?
Oh,
I
damn.
think I found the perfect concoction
They
on
would
bait.
have fucking picked me, playing my motions.
Y'all keeping it warm or y'all taking over? What the fuck's going on here?
Yeah, a little bit of both.
A little bit of both.
A little bit of both.
Hey,
Hey, bite? No. Doing any good?
not me. He is.
Yeah.
I suck. I'm trash. He ain't sharing none of that glow shit. He about to get a bite now.
You got me. Get them skirts. Fight down skirt. Tell me if I'm safe. There you go, Mike. Just 25 gonna just boom. Dang.
You know they say that don't count. That's what they be
He was
saying.
just a pedestrian.
Yeah.
Bro,
Got caught in the
Never
crossfire.
have I ever
He
caught
got
one
caught
in
in
the
the
side,
crossfire.
bro. Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
He
Damn.
said it was a good one. I said no. That one was coming in sideways.
Isaiah got one. Let's see if he can get on the bank last time. Yeah, he got it, y'all.
talking about, Mike. See what we working with, y'all. In the rain with it.
And then eventually it'll just start working it out.
Ooh. Okay, he trying to make a thumbnail. That's what he trying to do. He had a whole arch and everything. Ooh, wee. Videos about that.
He got the boots on. Get in the water. You know what? I've never set a hook like that.
For real?
I never.
Oh, wow.
Turn around, running like that. I ain't never done it.
I've done it with 2 points. Got him. Got him. Yeah. Got him.
It's on, y'all. Y'all see it? There's nothing on the pack, y'all. Okay, y'all. So when we was at the lake, I wasn't able to make an ending because we got rained out and we just hurried up and loaded up the truck. So as you can see, we caught fish, and a lot of the fish that we did catch, because we had a good time. We kind of tore them up, but I had took my phone and put it inside my truck because I didn't want it to get wet. We ain't had no canopy, so a lot of the fish that we caught didn't even get on video, but we did catch fish. We had a good time. My homie Mike, he was tearing them up. He caught some big fish. Last cast really showed out by putting some decent fish in the lake. But yeah, so as you can see, my wife then cut them up into some nuggets, and she about to cook us some fish and grits, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy the video.